the end of the rain. But maybe we're different lately. We grew with the distance, baby. Ooh, our possibilities. Was it real? Was it fate? Were we just a mistake? Oh, the mess we made. Was it real? Was it fate? Were we just a mistake again? And do I need more time to mend? It's not easy, but darling, believe me, I love you. I always do. Was it real? Was it fate? Were we just... Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening in a it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and a summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. I'm thinking now, out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high. Yeah, there's strawberries on a summer evening. Baby, you're the end of June, and I want your belly and the summer feeling, getting washed away in you. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. Watermelon sugar high, 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 watermelon sugar high. Oh, I just wanna taste it, I just wanna taste it. Watermelon sugar high. Yes, I just wanna taste it, I just wanna taste it. Watermelon sugar high. Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.